how much time was necessary up front for cleansing the data to make sure information was accurate report?
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. It is a chicken or egg. And the approach we took was not to try to solve for all of our master data problems right out of the gate. In fact, we've still got a ways to go. We first had to make that information available in an easy way, but then the next step for us was to really identify what's the most cross-functional area of master data that's going to benefit the entire organization. If it didn't meet that qualification, then it wasn't part of the 80-20. And so we went after the lowest hanging fruit first. We literally would ask 5 different people, how many brands do we have, and get 5 different answers. Now that's a thing of the past because we focused on the very valuable master data points, starting with our product data. But we've got a long ways to go, and that's okay. We've made such huge strides, but now people can see that information. They know where the issues lie and continue to tackle that one thing at a time. The more challenging thing with us was not the data itself, it was the decision-making process in a very collaborative organization. Nobody knew who owned which data points, and so once we got past that hurdle, then it all started to come together.